All right, 2013 Chevy Express, all-wheel drive, getting ready to get shipped back to Pennsylvania. Just want to show you how the lift is operating here. Everything is working and functioning now. Came out very nice. The van looks beautiful. Use this remote to operate everything. Everything's cleaned up, van's ready to go. As you can see, this was the placement of the old lift that we had to move into the right spot, so came out great. Everything is working. New power touch system. There you go. It's all set. Looks good. Remember, use this. There's also a new set of switches here on the dash to operate the doors and the wheelchair lift. Okay, so that's your backup system right there. Overall, looks great. It's good to go. All the items and stuff that was in the van when we got it is all in boxes back here, including your slide board that you asked about. So everything is here. We put in boxes so the van could be detailed properly. So we didn't touch anything, and everything is good to go. The only other thing to mention was the Q lock that is in the back there. It was not installed, so we just left it right where it was. Not sure if you wanted it bolted back or not, but that's okay. You just have to bolt it in, and the Q lock pad is inside the dash panel here. So okay.